Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're diving into ClickFunnels 2.0 to show you a brand new feature that was finally rolled out, which is the fact that you can now go in and delete contacts in bulk. I know it doesn't sound like a huge thing, but we've been waiting for this for years, and now we can finally go in. Instead of going one at a time for each individual contact, we can select all the contacts we want to delete and be done with it. That's it. All right. So with that said, let's head over to my screen here. I'll walk through the process step by step. Now, first things first, what we need to do is head over to customers in that left-hand navigation. From there, select contacts in that new sub navigation that appears. All right, now once this loads, what we want to do from here is go ahead and click on each of the contacts that we want to include in this mass deletion. All right, so if you want to do it one by one, that's perfectly fine. But if you want to speed up the process and say like there's just a group of people that you already have filtered and want to select, you can just go ahead and click on the checkbox right here at the very top, and it'll select everything on that page that we're looking at right now. If you want to go ahead and select all contacts, go ahead and click on select all right here. And then just like that, all contacts that are inside of your account will be selected. After that, go ahead and click on bulk actions right here, this little drop down, and it will show a couple different options as far as actions that we can actually take in this particular case. The one we're after is going to be delete contacts. So just click on that directly. It'll show a little pop-up on the right-hand side of the screen, just like that. And all we have to do from here is click on delete contacts. All right. After that, it's going to make you confirm that you are 100% sure you want to delete these contacts. But once you do, it will then proceed to remove all the contacts. Now, one thing that we can expand upon with this is that you can go in and create different filters for your contacts. So let's say you don't want to delete everybody. You don't want to necessarily go one by one for each of the contacts. You want to first off filter for the correct contact, and then from there select all of them at once and then delete them. That's perfectly fine. What you need to do in that case is go over here to filter, click on that directly, and then search right here in the little input field, or you can scroll down until you find the right one that you're looking for, right? So let's say in this particular case that you want to remove people with a specific tag, just go over here to contact tags or type in tags up here. Right, and it'll show you, oh, that's not even close to tags. But anyways, it'll show you the actual filter that you can use, which is contact tags. And then you can select the correct tag that you want to include in this. All right, now for this particular case, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one as the example. Click on apply. All right, now from there, all contacts with that specific tag are showing. If you want to select all of them, again, follow that same procedure of clicking this little checkbox here, or you can go individually for each contact, totally up to you. But if you want to get the job done quickly, click on the little checkbox here, click on select all, and now all contacts with that tag or with this filter rule that you've applied are going to be selected. All right, and then again, proceed to click on bulk actions, click on delete contacts, go over here and delete contacts one more time in the bottom right, and then click on, type in delete, all caps. Delete. If you've already typed it in, it saves it there with your cache, so you don't have to keep typing. But anyways, proceed, and just like that, bada bing, bada boom, contacts are going to go bye-bye. It might take a moment or two for all the contacts to be fully wiped out and deleted from this point, but just give it a few moments. It'll adjust, it'll reload, or actually, if you refresh the page, likely it will have taken place. And that is it. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions around this process at all, or anything else within ClickFunnels Classic or 2.0, feel free to let me know down below, and I'll point you in the right direction. All right. With that said, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will talk to you in the next video.